This car wasn't supposed to survive. But what if it never disappeared? What if the Pontiac GTO Judge never became history, but kept evolving through every generation? All the way to 2032? Back in 1970, the GTO Judge wasn't built to blend in. It was loud, it was bold, and it made sure you noticed it. Bright colors that demanded attention, decals that felt almost rebellious, and under the hood, a massive V8 that delivered raw, unapologetic power. This wasn't just transportation, it was identity. It told the world exactly who you were before you even stepped out of the car. But then it disappeared. The era changed, the rules changed, and cars like this slowly faded away. But imagine a different timeline, one where Pontiac never walked away from the GTO, where instead of disappearing, it evolved, year after year, generation after generation. Refined but never softened, modern but never disconnected from its roots. The 2032 GTO Judge wouldn't try to imitate the past. It would carry it forward. The long hood would still be there. The stance, even wider, even more aggressive. Every line shaped by performance, not decoration. The front end sharp and purposeful, like it's always ready to launch. No unnecessary noise, just presence. LED lighting replaces chrome, but the signature remains unmistakable. The interior becomes more precise, more focused, but still built around the driver. No oversized screens dominating everything. Just a cockpit that feels intentional. And under it all, power, real power. Because a GTO without that wouldn't be a GTO at all. The Judge was never about logic. It was about feeling. The moment you see it, the moment you hear it, the moment you realize it doesn't need to justify itself. If Pontiac brought this back today, would it still rule the streets, or has the world moved on? Maybe some legends don't need to return. They just need to remind us what we lost.